Hi, this is PR Sundar. In my last video, we have seen how India VIX is helpful in predicting the market range over a period of 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. And today, we will see how the falling VIX affects the option prices. First, let me tell you, generally people think when the market falls, if they buy a put option, they will make profit. When the market goes up, if they buy a call option, they will make profit. And that is totally wrong. In fact, last week, some experts in some television channels suggested people buying call option because they were expecting the market to go higher. And that time, I tweeted by saying that this is not the right time to buy a call option. Even if the market goes up, the call option buyer may not benefit. In fact, there were some negative comments in my tweet. Somebody asked me, where in this world this happens? And he was under the impression that market goes up, the call option has to go up. When the market goes down, the put option has to go up. And that is wrong, and that I will show you now. Last week itself, in my video, I showed you how to see the VIX. I show it this once again. You go to nscindia.com site. You click this button. You can actually see the India VIX here. Now, where we can see the past data, historical data. You go to products, indices, historical data, and search for the historical data. And you can see the historical data here, but you can see the historical data of India VIX here. You click here, you can see the historical data. You can choose the date. I'm choosing March 31 to April 3. So you get the historical data. That is on March 31st, the India VIX was around 65. On April 1, it was around 60. April 3, it was about 55. You can see from 65 come to 60. From 60, it has come to 55, which is a fall of more than 20%. Now, let us see what happened to the indices during this period. Again, the same thing. Go to product, go to indices, go to historical data, search the historical data. Now, we will look at the historical data of Nifty 50 from March 31 to April 3. And see, from March 31, it was around 8,600. After 2 trading sessions, it has come below 8,100. So which means the Nifty has fallen more than 500 points. During the same time, the India VIX fell from 65 to 45. Now, what happened to the option prices? Let us see. Now, let us look at the option prices. Let us look at the next week, 9th April expiry, maybe 7,500 put option. And look at the historical data of last 1 week. And you can see on March 31st, it was around 64 rupees, but now it is only 55 rupees. Look here. Nifty has fallen more than 500 points between March 31 and April 3. But still, the 7,500 put option fell from 64 rupees to 55 rupees. So if anyone bought the option at 65 rupees and even his view is correct, the Nifty has fallen 500 points, but still he's sitting with 7 or 8 rupees loss. He's not making any profit. Some people may think, sir, this is weekly option, therefore the time decay is very fast. Okay, can we look at the monthly option where the time decay is very little? And here you choose the monthly option. and look at the 7,500 put option, which is trading around 258 rupees. But let us look at what was the price on March 31. It was 262. Now it is only 258. Even in monthly option where time decay is very slow, and still the people who bought the option would have lost 5-6 rupees. So this is the effect of falling VIX. So when the VIX is falling, it is not the right time to buy options. So you must consider doing some other strategies. Even let us look at the May month. Let us see what has happened. May month, 7,500 put option. Friday it closed on 425, and on March 31st it was 411. So May month is a very far away month, but still the profit is only about 13 or 14 rupees when the Nifty fell 500 points. So this is the effect of falling VIX. So in a falling VIX environment, do not buy options. You can have some strategies where you have both buy and sell. You can benefit. So I have already suggested some strategies in my Twitter, and I just give you what I did. I bought 8,200 call option, and 3 times the quantity I sold a 9,000 call option. On the downside, I bought 8,000 put option and sold 7,400, 7,300 put option. So this kind of strategies will benefit you, not the naked buying of option. Thank you.